So I'm just messing about with some homemade fire kits. Well, tinder. So the first one I used was BCB fire gel with paraffin wax, and that was the first one I used. And if you saw it, I like it because you can touch these and it's really thin. It's only cotton string, so you can touch them. They're fine. I tried lighting everything as is first before fluffing it up. None of them took without fluffing up. So once I fluffed this up, it took, and when it burned kind of like a fuse which ran down the middle. And all the ones I burned of these were only half of them. So it burned like a fuse, burned, and then it was out. So I think that one's alright. I want a little bit of a longer burn. So I mixed this one, and this one is paraffin wax and melted Vaseline. Now, again, it's the same as the other one, but this one is really, really messy. So it didn't burn as is. When you fluffed it up, it kind of turned to mush, which got on your fingers a little bit. But once I fluffed it up a little bit, it did light and stay lit longer than the BCB paraffin wax. So that one lasted longer. These ones here are from RJ Bushcraft. These are his handmade tinder ones, and it's priced up as £5. And I didn't edit out too much. I've had to speed up to show you I actually did what I said I did, and didn't swap anything out, and didn't light anything with a lighter, and all the rest of it. That's how they look. I only used one, so I'm being honest. Tried lighting it as is again because I didn't know what was in it. But I ripped off one cube, and I had problems lighting it until I ripped off some of the carton here, fluffed that up, then I got it going. Then I kind of just turned everything into it, and it lit. And it lit for quite a while too. I was a bit impressed, and also it put off a good bright fire, which lit up most of my garden. So I did like that, and it did last long. Pepper Dell said it lasts about 8 minutes, which if you can't start a fire in 8 minutes, that's you're having real issues. You're like underwater or something. So I was impressed with that once I got it going. So out of these three, I think the handmade tinder, and it's quite light for what it is too. The handmade tinder is the best one out of that. I mean, everybody's going to say, oh, Vaseline cotton ball. Well, it's pretty much the same as this, except for I'm trying to make something a bit more compact that I can just throw in your kit. Kind of like polymath stuff. You know, they use little straws, the little jute twines. So I'm trying to, you know, something relatively like that, but with a bit more oomph on it. But yeah, again, hope you like my little mat here, a little banner, again from Individual Graphics. Came out really well. But Hey guys, yeah, so I've been a bit ill. I'm getting over it now. Been to the gym today, so you know I'm doing well. I'm gonna start putting some more videos out soon, so don't worry about it. I got loads of stuff to review. Hopefully, I get back into doing some bushcraft stuff. I got 1 or 2 prepper stuff to do. I got a bug out bag to review. I got a bug out kit to review, so that's in the works too. It's just finding the time. I do work a bit. So thanks for everybody to keep watching my videos and commenting. If you have a good combination besides cotton ball and Vaseline, I'm tired of hearing about that one too much. But something else, something outside of the box that you use to for a homemade fire starter, let me know. Like lantern oil or something, you know, something a bit different. I'm trying to look for. But thanks guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and keep doing what you're doing. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.